Hello there, welcome to our Chemo TV YouTube channel, where we make your freelancing experience and your working online experience much more easier. Our channel is all about teaching you on how to make the most of your remote experience, teaching you new skills and transcription. So today our major aim for this video is to teach you how to connect your Payoneer to your GeegPay virtual USD account. This will help you to be able to withdraw your USD to your virtual USD account from GeegPay and from Payoneer smoothly without any issue. So generally, the amazing solution the GeegPay Africa has been provided for African freelancers is to help them receive payments from their clients, African freelancers, to get payment from their clients in an easy way. So how do they do this? They allow you to create a virtual USD bank account so that you can link it to your Payoneer that you can use to receive your payments instead of all the stress, going through all the stress of looking for third party or this and that. So GeegPay have bring about that bridge and make it much more easier. So what do you do when you come to your Payoneer? You log in, you click sign in here like this. When you sign in here like this, and once it loads, then you enter your email and your password. So I'm already logged in already, so it's much more easier. I'm logged in, so this is my account, my Payoneer account, and this is my GeegPay account, both logged in. So now for you to be able to connect both, on the GeegPay account you click on USD balance. On your USD balance you see your details here, your bank details here, so you can view it, or you can leave it the way it is like this. So you can see your receiving account, you see the name, you see the account number, you see the routing. So those are the things you need. So once you know that, you come to your Payoneer account, then you go to add account, bank account. From your bank account you click add bank account, add bank account. So you click personal, you change your country to USA, United States of America, then you select the currency your client will be paying you with. Basically here is USD. USD, we're expecting payment for USD because this is a USD bank account also, you have to know that. Then it will ask for your bank name. The bank name on GeegPay is Wells Fargo. Then your account holder's name, you come here, you can just copy it instead of typing. Just copy your account holder's name and you paste it. Then you go to your account number, right? Yes, your account number. Okay, let me move down a little bit now here. Down account number. I'll just paste the account number I copied. Then I'll also go back, get my routing number. This account routing number. Then you just paste it. You paste it here. Then account type, as you know there already, is checking account. You click checking, then you click confirm. You confirm that the detail is correct. Then you click next. Once you click next, it will bring you have to add your info. You add your date of birth, basically. Add your date of birth. On your date of birth, adding your date of birth, and it asks for your password. Then you can easily put your password and you click add bank account. Once you click add bank account, it will show you that your account will be added in 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes you receive an email telling you if it has been successfully added. So that's how to do it. Very easy and straightforward. The advantage of you adding your USD bank account to your Payoneer is that you'll be able to receive as low as $25. As low as $25 can be sent to your account you have added, unlike the $50 threshold that is given. So with $25 you can be able to withdraw it. So Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is what we are here for. We are here to help you get your payments, get the necessary skills to be able to work online and join the Gen Z, make a lot of money and enjoy yourself. So have a nice time.